Hi guys, I'm Abhay Talreja from Cool Movie Bites, and this is just a continuation of one of the video blogs where I showcase how to set up security on DigitalOcean. If you haven't caught up on the first part, I would request you to go and check that out before you start the second one. So now that we have our new user set up, we have everything in place for the user. We need to adjust the firewalls for this new created server that we have on DigitalOcean. So for that, you can follow on the part 2 of the configuration that I created. So for the you can read the details, but I'll just skim through them so that it's easier for us. You can see me doing it. So the first thing is you do is sudo ufw app list. What this does is it tells you what UFS does is it manages the application by name like OpenSSH, and you can easily see what you're getting as an output. We need to make sure that the firewall allows SSH connections so that you can log back in next time. So first we did the list and you only see OpenSSH. Now you need to make sure that you allow everything for OpenSSH. So the rules would be updated for it, and now you can say enable. So the firewall will be enabled after that, which means you will only be allowed connection using SSH. Now sudo ufw status will give you how the status looks like. Again, it's SSH and it says allow, and initially it did not have anything, it just had an available application. You see that? Okay, so that's how your output should look like. Now the next thing is pretty easy. It's actually getting your domain name. So you can go down to Namecheap or GoDaddy and get your domain name. For me, I think you will also need to have your A record point to this website or the IP that you recently created. For me, it's going to be coolmoviebytes.com and www.coolmoviebytes.com. Again, these are the these are the domains that I feel that would be using my application. So in your case, it could be anything that you choose to. Now that we have the firewalls open and the domain name set up, which I assume you would do yourself, we will talk about how to install Nginx onto your server so that it acts as a front end server taking in all the requests, and then you can have any application sitting behind it. It's been guarded by it, so you can actually use Nginx as well as any other application. Like in my case, I'm going to be demonstrating how I do it with the Meteor application, but you can choose any application that you have deployed.